NTG 5.0. Pry open both sides of this silver shiny strip. Pay attention to strength and angle. Press this button down and lift the panel up at the same time. Unscrew these two screws. Drag the panel with both hands and pull the center control panel outward. Unplug the original vehicle cable. Loosen the central control fixing screw. Pull out the central control host. Pull out the original car power cord and loose line. Press the loose buckle. Insert the original car's cable into the CarPlay's female plug. Insert the CarPlay's elbow into the original car host. Transfer the original vehicle power cord. The fiber optic cable needs to be transferred to the CarPlay power cord. The fiber optic cable needs to be transferred to the CarPlay power cord. Insert the CarPlay power cord into the original car console. CarPlay box is placed under the original car console.
Organize wiring harness.
Organize wiring harness. Insert the reserved headphone cable from CarPlay into the USB-O hole. Insert the USB end of the USB-O audio box into the original car USB interface. Unscrew the screws here. Route the reserved headphone cable for CarPlay through the hole below. Hide routing. USB cables can also be routed through the holes below. Organize wires. Tighten these two screws. Connect the antenna. The antenna cannot be attached with iron. The antenna can be placed outside the footpad. Route the antenna through the hole below. Insert the original car engine back into the center console. Correctly code the box. This is the dialing code for other vehicle models. Connecting the antenna. Connect loose line. Connect the power cord. Organize wires. Connect USB cable. Enter the original car media settings and select the USB audio option. Long press the star key for 3 seconds to switch the system interface. Search for the Bluetooth name cards on the mobile phone for the box. Perform Bluetooth pairing connection. Click on Use CarPlay Car. CarPlay has been connected. Installation is complete. Thank you for watching.